how are you? I am Miss Atif and this is a new session from the revision sessions with نتفوق Academy and our session for grade 1. We are going today to revise on Unit 2. So are you ready? Let's start. Okay, can you remember what we studied on Unit 2 or Chapter 2? We have some important lessons like the numbers up to 10, the lesson of just after and just before, and today we are going to remember together what the meaning of one more and one less. Starting with the numbers up to 10. Of course, you can remember the 5 frame. Okay, so if I have this 5 frame is completed, so I am going to put another 5 frame. And here is 5, we put another 1, so the 5, after 5, 6. So here we have number 6. What about number 7? It means that the first 5 frame is completed, and here we have 6, 7. So they are 7. In 8, we have the whole 5 up, then after the 5, we have 6, 7, 8. Then we have 9, and the last one here, we have 10. We have the 5 frame up is completed, and the second 5 frame, which is down, also completed. So all of them equals 10. Now let's remember how can we write these numbers by letters. Okay, how can we write 6? Can you remember? It's S-I-X. What about 7? It's S-E-V-E-N. Then 8, E-I-G-H-T. 8, E-I-G-H-T. 9, N-I-N-E. 9. And 10 is T-E-N. So these numbers, we can write them by digits, and digits means by numbers like here, and here is called by letters, like S-I-X. This is number 6 by letters. Okay, can you solve with me this example? Count and choose. How many corn can you see in this picture? We are going to start counting, of course, from number 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we will choose number 8. Count with me the second one. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are 5. What about these fruits? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yes, so they are 7. And how many rabbits can you see here? Okay, count. Excellent, they are 9. So put a circle on 9. What about these birds? Yes, they are 10. So put a circle on number 10. Okay, how many trees can you see here? Only 1. So we are going to put a circle on number 1. Okay, let's move to the second slide. Just after and just before. This is a very important lesson. So let's remember together, how can we get the after and before? Okay. After means that I am going to move a normal movement forward to the numbers. If I am going to say the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the meaning of after. So if I'm going to write the normal numbers as we save, يعني زي ما احنا حافظين النمبرز عادي جدا، هو ده الافter. So if here we have 1, after 1, it's 2. After 2, 3. After 3, 4. After 4, 5. So we jump forward like that. After 5, 6, and so on. Okay, so this is the meaning of after. So after is very easy. We are going to say the numbers as we say them. زي ما احنا حافظينهم بنقول النمبers. Okay. What about before? Before means I'm going to return back, jump back. So here, can you see this number line? If we are going to stop on number 10, what is before 10? It means I'm going to jump back, return back. Before 10, 9. Before the 9, 8. Before the 8, 7. So the number that comes before is like we are going to jump back, or what stands behind the number. Behind number 7, we have 6. So this is the before. Let's solve an example together to save the before numbers more. Can you see here this rabbit? It's stopping on number 10 and he wants to reach this carrot. So how can we reach it? He are going, or it's going to return back to reach the carrot. So we are going to move before or after. If we are going to return back, we are going to move before. So before 10, we have 9. So say with me, before 9, can you say? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, before 4, 3, before 3, 2, and before 2, here is 1. So now the rabbit can reach the carrot. Can you see? He stopped on number 1 after being on number 10. So this is the before. Let's solve some examples together. Here I want to write the number that comes just after, and here on the other side we are going to go before. After 5, 4, 6. After 9, we have 10. After 7, 8. After 2, 3. And after 8, 9. After number 1, we have 2. What about the before? Again, before means I'm going to return back. Can you see the arrow? Yes, this arrow is returning back. So I'm going to jump back. Before 3, what comes before 3? Yes, it's 2. Before 6, 5. Before 2, excellent, 1. Before 8, we have 7. Before 10, 9. And before 5, yes, it's 4. Okay, again, write the number that comes just before. You must know how can we write the word before and the word after and read it well. So when you see this, this is the word before. Okay, what comes before 8? Can you solve? Before 8, 7. What about before 1? Yes, it's 0. Before 5, 4. Before 7, 6. Before 3, 2. Before 4, if I jump back, I'm going to find 3. Before number 9, we have 8. And before 10, we have 9. Okay, so this is just after and just before. The last part in Unit 2 was talking about one more and one less. What's the meaning of one more? More means bigger. Or if I'm going to take the number that comes after. So if he said one more, it means that he asked me about the biggest number, or which is bigger, or what comes after. What about one less? It's the opposite. Less means smaller. Or if I'm going to move back, so it's before. Let's read some examples to understand more. Okay, so remember with me. If he is saying 2 is 1 less than 3. 2 is less than. Less than means smaller. So the 2 is smaller than 3. 2 is the smallest one here. It's smaller than 3. Or it comes before 3. So can you see here? This 2, yes, it's before. I'm stopping on 3. I'm going to return back to reach the less number. Number 2 here. 3 is 1 less than 4. So stop on 4 and ask yourself, what is before 4? Before 4, we have 3. So it's the meaning of less than. But if I'm saying the word more than, yes, more than means I'm going to go after. More than 4. So what is after 4? After 4, I'm going to go to number 5. So 5 is more than 4. Again, what is 1 more than 3? So if I'm stopping on 3, I'm going to move after to see what is more than it. So of course 4 is 1 more than 3. Okay, here. Count, write the number, then circle the number that is 1 more. Again, we said 1 more means bigger. So more means bigger. Here, let's count the dolls. We have here 3, and here 1, 2. The last step he wants from me, 2. Put a circle on. Which is more? Which is more, 3 or 2? What's your opinion? Yes, sure, 3 is more. Okay, next, let's count. Here we have 5, and here they are 6. Now, where the circle will be, on 5 or 6? Which is bigger? Which is 1 more than the other? Yes, 6. So 6 is more than 5. Let's count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So here we have 10 balls. What about here? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So they are 9. Now, where the circle will be? We are going to put a circle on which is more. 10 or 9 is more? Of course, 10 is more than 9. So more than means bigger. Let's solve this exercise together. Circle the correct number on the number line. If I want to circle 1 more than 3, so go and stop on number 3, here 3. I need 1 more, so more than means bigger, or I'm going to move after. So what after 3? Yes, it's 4. It means that I'm going to put a circle on 4. So what is 1 more than 3? It's 4. Again, here he asked me about 1 more than 4. Go to number 4. and ask yourself what is more than 4. More than means go after, or bigger than 4. What after 4? 5. Yes, so put a circle on 5. Again, 1 more than 1. So we have number 1. What is 1 more than 1? More than means after. After 1, 2. So you'll put a circle on 2. The last one here, 1 more than 2. So we are on number 2. What is more than 2? Yes, again, more than means go after. After 2, 3. So put a circle on 3. So what is 1 more than 2 is 3. What about if I'm asking to put a circle on less? Less than means smaller or before. So 1 less than 4. Go to number 4. Less. Less means smaller. So what is smaller than 4? Yes, return back. It's 3. 1 less. Less again means small or go back. Less than 5. So if I'm on 5 here, what is less than 5? Yes, it's 4. Again, 1 less than 2. We are on number 2 here. Less than, so return back. Jump back from 2, jump back. So 1 is the answer. 1 is less than 2. Here, 1 less than 3. What is less than 3? Here, 3 less than means I'm going to go back to the smaller number. So it's 2. Okay? So don't forget, more than, go after, less than, go back. Choose less or more. Here we are going to read, then choose the first number is less or more. 6 is 1 less or 1 more than 7. Now I'm going to read 6. 6 is less or more. 6 is the small or the big here. 6 than 5. Of course, 6 is smaller than 7. So again, I'm going to look at the first number and see. This is small or big? We have 6 and 7. So of course, 6 is small. And we said small means less. Here, 3 is 1 less or more than 4. Look at number 3. This 3 is small or big? We have 3 and 4. What's your opinion? What can you see? 3 is small or big? Of course, 3 is the small here and 4 is the big. So 3 is the small. So I am going to choose the word which means small. Small means less. So choose less. Here we have 10. 10 is 1 less or 10 is 1 more than 9. Look at number 10. Number 10 is big or small? 10 is the big and 9 is the small. So we are going to look at 10. 10 is big and big means less or more, huh? Yes, 10 means more. Next. 1 is 1 less or 1 more than 2. Number 1 is the small. So small means less. Again, we have here 8. 8 is 1 less or 1 more than 7. Here 8 is, yes, it's bigger than 7, and big means more. The last one, 5 is 1 less or 1 more than 6. Look at number 5. 5 is the small, and we said small means less. So 5 is 1 less than 6. So less means small, more means big. This was our revision on Unit 2. See you in the next session, inshallah, on revising on Unit 3. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.